On September the 30th, after considering the responses to a 14-week consultation period, the Rural Affairs Minister, Elin Jones, laid the TB Eradication Wales Order 2009, which will give the Welsh Assembly Government the powers to use culling and vaccination of badgers as part of the Bovine TB eradication programme. When making the announcement, however, the Minister stressed that the legislation did not in itself mean the start of a badger cull, but it did mean that part of the preparatory work is now complete. She also stated that not all badgers in Wales would be culled, only those in areas where TB is endemic. Of the 741 responses to the consultation questions, 54% came from Wales, and of those, 85% agreed that culling needed to be considered as part of a badger control strategy. In addition, the Assembly Government says that the content of the replies was looked at more than just the number. The order will come into force 21 days after it's signed and put before the National Assembly. There is, though, a 40-day period during which Assembly members can propose a motion that the order be annulled. Should that happen, the order would then be debated by the Assembly and put to a vote. In 2008, over 12,000 cattle were culled because of TB, costing the Assembly Government nearly £25 million in compensation. According to Assembly estimates, by 2014 the cost to the taxpayer could be around £80 million if action to eradicate TB in cattle isn't taken. The Minister announced in March that the preferred location for a pilot scheme, known as the Intensive Action Pilot Area, involving culling badgers as well as infected cattle, was North Pembrokeshire, an area with some of the highest incidence of TB in Wales and the UK as a whole.
Mae astudiaethau wedi dangos bod anifeiliaid gwyllt a moch daear yn enwedig yn gronfa o TB yng Nghymru a Lloegr, ac ar sail y dystiolaeth a'r wybodaeth helaeth dwi wedi gweld, dwi o'r farn erbyn hyn bod rhaglen ddifa yn angenreidiol law yn llaw ar mesurau gwartheg ychwanegol.
Work is now underway in the area on environmental considerations, with bodies such as the Countryside Council for Wales, and on identifying boundaries with landowners. As well as the order, the Minister also announced that TB Health Check Wales, the 15-month initiative to test all cattle herds in Wales before the end of 2009, is ahead of schedule and has so far succeeded in identifying nearly 100 new herd breakdowns that might otherwise not have been discovered for another 4 years. This, said the Minister, shows that increased testing is working, and so all cattle herds in Wales will be tested again in 2010.